Press Ctrl T to select the text tool and use any font family you want. I have used random theory font, and I have written W and S letters to make a minimalist logo. Then I have used curvature tool to adjust the shape. By the way, it's not a minimalist logo. Then select the letter and put it on its place where you want. Then go to object, select path and go to offset path. Then select both letters and press Alt key by selecting the shape builder tool. By pressing the Alt key, we can remove the parts. It means select the shape builder tool and press Alt key and click on the object or the part you do not want on your logo design. It will remove that part. Then simply select objects and align them to the center and write any brand name or any name you want. I have used this word Wonder Silk. I have written there Wonder Silk, and I'm managing the adjusting the letter again is. So here we go. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.